Hello and welcome to Math 122 for the spring 2018 semester. My name is Milos Podmanic and I'm the instructor for the class. You're welcome to call me by my first name, Milos, so when you refer to me via email or in the discussion board. So again, welcome to Math 122, and in this short video I want to kind of introduce you to Canvas a little bit. So we'll jump right over there in just a moment, but I wanted to kind of make you aware of the fact that we'll be using modules in this class, and each week we'll have a separate module, so everything should be easy to find. The workflow within each module is from top to bottom, so you kind of know what to do first and what to do next. And we'll also discuss some of the icon meanings in Canvas. So here is, of course, you've gotten into Canvas, you're working on viewing the intro videos, and under modules you'll be able to see some various modules. Each one of these separated by the dotted lines represents one module. So you have a syllabus module, an online tutoring module, a calculator resource module, ebook module, big tickets module, and then the weekly modules. In this case, this is just week 1. And so again, the workflow is from top to bottom. So for example, this one tells you, view the 2 intro videos on the home page first. You're viewing the first one now, so you're right on target. So some of the icon meanings, you'll see, you can hover above them and see what they mean. The little sheet of paper is a Wiki page, so that's a separate page within Canvas. Discussions with the dialogue bubbles. Quiz, for some reason they've chosen to use a rocket. I'm not sure I understand the significance of that, but that's what they've used. And again, some Wiki pages. And then anytime there's an assignment, you'll see the sheet of paper with a little pencil beside it. So, having said that, you can also you'll also notice that everything in here is pretty simple. There are only 4 links. The home link is where you'll always be taken every time you log in. Modules link is where all the course content is located. I'm not going to click on grades. Well, I guess I can click on grades. Grades, you'll be able to see, your current grades and the assignments that are posted or listed. Some of those things will of course change. You need to change some of those dates, and then you can see the people in the class as well, so you know who you're interacting with. The calendar view will allow you to sort of see anything that's been assigned already. It's not going to be able to, you're not going to be able to see the entire semester all the way through, but you can kind of check and uncheck the classes that you want to see deadlines for, just so you don't have a whole flood of assignments. But you can see here, introductions, that's the first assignment due on January 17th, 11:59 p.m. Tells you a little bit more about it. You can actually also click on these and open them through the calendar. I prefer not to use the calendar just because I'm kind of used to using the modules page. And again, as long as you're going week by week, all the deadlines are listed from top to bottom. So you can see January 17th, January 18th, January 21st. So going back to what we want to talk about here. Oh, exam deadlines appear here. Meaning that if you look in the calendar to see when the midterm is, when the final exam is, there's a window of dates, about 7-day period. And so the exam deadlines that you'll see in the calendar are the last day that you can take it. The 2 exams, as we'll talk about later in the syllabus, are to be taken in the testing center. Other than that, everything is online. So we have 2 forms of tutoring if you'd like to partake of. There's the on-campus tutoring, which is in the 2nd floor of the library on the Pecos campus. And there's Smart Thinking online tutoring, which you can find here. You can click there for the login. Anytime you click a link and it doesn't open in a separate page, I always recommend opening it in a separate page. And you can see here more information about that if you choose to use that at all. And in terms of being able to email me, you can email me one of 2 ways, either through the Canvas inbox or directly to my email address, which notice is my first name dot last name at cgc.edu, not at maricopa.edu. That will not go to me, and as a result, I will not receive that message if you send it to at maricopa.edu. So that's pretty much it in here. Again, you'll see grades populate as we go. The inbox and through which you can send emails is located here. You can click on inbox, and that's pretty much it for the structure in terms of the course structuring. Also, all the modules remain up on Canvas over the duration of the entire semester, so you can always go back and reference those items. And you'll notice that when week 2 comes about, that week 2 will be above week 1, so that the older weeks start to stack down towards the bottom. So that's it for this video. Again, welcome to the class. I look forward to working with you this semester. And as always, if you have questions that haven't been answered in any of the resources, feel free to reach out to me. So next you'll move on to the syllabus video to get a sense of how this class works, what the assignments are, and so on and so forth. So I look forward to working with you. And until then, take care.